Hi everyone, I'm Joanne. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this super cute journal. I just love it. It's made out of a paper bag and I did sewing around it and I put washi down the middle. So I'm just going to do a flip through. That's a piece of vellum, lots of writing space. This is a big tag that I had made previously and just added it in there because I thought it went well with the colors of the cover. Music paper, cute little pocket. I used 2 kits with this journal, and I'll mention them in the description below. I'm not sure I can link them, but I'll mention them. All right, here's another little pocket. This is a belly band. Let me get a piece of paper here. Belly band. Little pocket here. Lots of writing room. Pocket up here, or a little tuck, I should say. These aren't pockets. These are little tucks. Another one right here. Old book page. And a little Polaroid journaling card in that pocket. Super cute. Another little picture, music paper, little side tuck, some doily. That's the center. I am expecting soon from Temu some bird charms, so I might put one on there. Hasn't come yet today, but I wanted to show you anyway. Another little card. I just love this journal. This is just a little circle journal card. There's another one. I'd made those previously, but I thought they worked well with the colors and the pages. There's another little tuck spot in here. And I just attached the journaling cards to the outside instead of put them in so you could see them. Book page. Another little side tuck here. Another cute little journal card or whatever that I've made previously that I thought worked well. It's another one of these cute little what do I want to say? Belly bands. If you don't like the threads, those could always be cut off. Cut a lot of them down. This, I think, no, it is a little pocket. I thought it was just a little decoration, but it's a pocket. Another cute journaling card. Places to write, attach pictures, whatever. This is just a little tuck right there, and it's also a little pocket. Little circle journaling card, and of course this is a pocket there. This is the other half of the vellum sheet, and here's the back cover, and there's the back cover. I love this journal. I did a tutorial on how I made the cover. The rest is just, you know, making a journal. And I have these bags in my Etsy. I'll show you in packs of 10, which I'll link that down below. Now my only decision here is, do I keep this journal or do I list it in my Etsy? I'm not sure. I just love it. I could always make more. All right. So thanks for joining today. I appreciate you and have a great day, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.